Yo, what is going on? This is Andrew, known as Zero Draw Drew, Pip Catchers Administration. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this, subscribe to the channel, keep us motivated to put this content out every day. So let's get into it. So we're here with a weekly analysis. It is Sunday, March 20th, 2022, and let's go. So GBPUSD, if you look at what's happened during the week, like I said last week, that we just wanted to retest that 1.31600 resistance level. Right on the daily chart, as you can see, we have this U-like resistance. We did fully take buyer liquidity above that 1.31650 resistance level, so there is a chance that we do start to come down now. Right now, looking at the hourly chart, one thing I do notice is we got this inverted like crown pattern over here, but looking at the weekly chart, the overall trend is bearish. So I do have reason to believe that this inverted crown might be a bull trap. So, we just want to react to levels listed. But looking at the daily chart, there is a possibility that we might close above that 1.31950 resistance level. And then if we take out that level on the daily chart, say if it happens on Tuesday, that might confirm, long-term downside. And then we could look for bull traps to the levels listed. But short-term, I do think that we might want to push up. So we do want to react to these levels listed. We're watching this 1.31400 support level, watching this support level, and the trend lines listed, right? So that is GBPUSD. GBPJPY, we got this strong rally last week. As you could see on the weekly chart, we got this strong rally. On the daily chart, this is reading a short squeeze. So all buyer liquidity overall is above all these highs. So there is a potential that we do continue to move higher because of the way that this thing is pushing up on the daily chart. On the daily chart, this thing looks like a short squeeze. As you can see, we rejected that 577 resistance, and then we took it out on the daily chart, which is a key level overall, right? So on the hourly chart, you do want to look for a price to maybe pull back to that level, maybe trap bears at that 577 level. Look for price action on a 15-minute chart, maybe, for the setup to happen at this trend line, or maybe within this level right here. But you just want to react to the levels and sort of play it by day. Like I said, GBPJPY overall is bullish due to this big impulse wave. On the daily chart, we have this short squeeze. We took out this rejection, so we're just basically looking for support at that 577 level. Same thing with GBPUSD. We took out that 650 level, so short term, maybe look for a reaction to that 650 level and, the other levels listed, right? So that's GBPUSD and GBPJPY. Now we're with EURUSD. EURUSD is reading something similar to GBPUSD. We got this big impulse wave on the weekly chart from this key support level. But as you can see on the daily chart, we are reading this U-like resistance. So all buyer liquidity overall is above this 1.11188 resistance level. So all bullish liquidity is above there. Similar to GBPUSD, if we push above and then come back into value, we could probably see, more downside overall, right? So looking at the hourly chart, similar structure. It's kind of reading an inverted like crown. So you just want to react to the levels listed, right? And then when you break it down to the 15-minute chart, one thing I do notice is we got this crown-like pattern. If you look within the crown, we have this right shoulder over here. So we could see bears get trapped either here, here, or the trend line listed, or we could get bulls trapped above here or above, that double top high, right? So you just want to react to the levels listed and just kind of play it by day, right? So that is EURUSD. Now we're at gold, right? So gold. Looking at gold, we got this strong shit. I'm gonna wrap this up quick. So we got this. All right, so gold, we got this strong rejection from resistance level over here. As you can see on the daily chart, we are reading this crown-like pattern. All buyer liquidity is above that 1964 resistance level. So I could see potential bull traps to that level for the sell opportunity down to the neckline over here. Or if price, comes into that 1916 value, maybe we could find potential bear traps to that level to trade towards that 1960 high, right? So looking at the hourly chart, we did get this impulse wave from support level. We are reading a 618 retracement over here. So there is a potential that we do see bear traps over here for the buy opportunity up to the buyer liquidity level. So you just want to play it by day and just kind of go with the trend, right? But overall, looking at this, we rejected this level. Right now, we are reading downward momentum. So I do think we can drop into that 1916 value, maybe find support there. If we find support there, trade towards buyer liquidity, and then just kind of react to those levels and play it by day, right? So that is it, guys. As you can see, you know, my fucking computer is about to die. So I just want to wrap this up. If you guys got any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM, Instagram.com/ZeroDrawDrew. Other than that, we'll see you guys when I see you. Good luck and have a great fucking week. Let's go.